So the secret to becoming a millionaire is right under everyone's nose. Now, when you figure it out, you'll kick yourself because it's so glaringly obvious. And everyone's really doing this on a very basic level, even as a baby, right? Now, for instance, I'm going to get my daughter a horse, right? We're building, we have horse stables in the back, and now we're noticing horses everywhere we go. Even on the freeway, we're seeing horse trailers. We're driving down the street, we're noticing, which neighbors have horses in their lots. And I'm also a perfect example of utilizing this shortcut to making lots of money. I've been able to earn over $20 million in my business, for my life, by using this shortcut. I also, just last month, for instance, I started a new business, and it's already worth over $3 million, right? Now that's an example of using the shortcut, which you'll find out about if you register for this podcast I want to share with you. And this podcast has been applauded worldwide, and I want to make sure you get a chance to see it. It's called the Digital Millionaire Podcast, and you can click somewhere on this page to actually just go straight to the episode and see both me reveal what the shortcut is, as well as the 3-step system I specifically use to generate passive income to really just kind of fund my life and hobbies and skiing and beekeeping and gardening and collecting ancient Greek statues and all the weird stuff that I do with my life and my time, now that time and money are not part of one another anymore, okay? Now, to put some facts and figures to this, if you're feeling a little bit doubtful, is 1,700 new millionaires are created each day. Yeah, look it up, okay? If you include the entire world, right? I'm just talking about America here. We're talking about 4,000 new millionaires are created every single day. And you're not one of them because you don't know the shortcut yet. But you can make it happen. And I want to share with you. I can't do that here in an ad though. I have to do that sharing with you my podcast episode. And you'll see, it's not complicated. It's not hard. If you haven't made it work yet, don't worry, because the internet is shining more light on how this wealth is being created than ever before. So click somewhere around this page, go over to Digital Millionaire Podcast and check out this episode and allow it to change your life. Be there with a pen and paper and work through it, because where do you want to be in life? Why haven't you got there yet? And I'll start getting a little deep with you, but the reason you probably likely haven't gotten there is because of the one consistent factor that's been with you throughout every job and every business you may have tried to start so far, right? And it's our emotional patterns. Maybe your dad yelled at you. Maybe your boss yelled at you. Maybe your mother made you feel like you weren't good enough. Maybe your friends made fun of you for being different. Maybe you were told you were too young or too old or too smart or too stupid or too rich or too poor to do things. But whatever programming happened or happens in your brain, it doesn't need to hold you back from being extremely successful and applying the shortcut that I'm going to give you in this next video. So click somewhere around this page and really start to think about, what is your motivation for becoming successful? What is your motivation for being able to wake up each day? And if it doesn't include something about serving somebody other than yourself, then you're in the wrong wheelhouse. Think big. And let's learn how you can use the shortcut to make an extreme amount of success and passive income for yourself. Click somewhere around this page and I'll see you on the other side.